Hello! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I haven't used it in a while, so I pulled it out and decided to create this look. It is just this orangey halo eye with like this beautiful purple holographic type shade in the middle, and then I paired it with this bright ass, I don't even know what this color is. It's like this purple pink fuchsia, I don't know. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new to my channel, make sure to click that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload. And please like this video if you love this tutorial. That helps me out so much. And don't forget to follow me on social media at zakaila.savage. That's all I wanted to say, so let's just get started with this tutorial. I'm going to be going in with the Huda Beauty palette today. Looks like this. It is the Desert Dusk palette. When you open it, it really gets the name really well. I love these purples and the reds and the oranges. I think they're so pretty. I'm obsessed with this color Twilight. I've used it a few times for looks, and I used it today for the halo eye. So I'm gonna start off with this color Saffron. It's that red right there. I'm just gonna be going in with this L2115 brush. It's really nice and fluffy, super soft. And I love that this palette has a huge ass mirror. I'm just gonna take that and put it all over in my crease. These shades are super pigmented, I love it. So I'm just gonna start with this like round shape that I usually do just to get it into the crease so that I can blend later, but I'm just packing on this color right now because I'm going to be doing, let me zoom you guys in. Yeah, I'm just packing on the color like I said so that I can later blend, but I want to get it to the desired deep red and not have it be super blended out to begin with. And as you can see on this eye, like it's super dramatic. I kind of like blended way too far up. Okay, so now that the red's there, I'm just gonna blend up slightly. Now I'm gonna be taking this shade called Blazing. It is just this color right next to the last one, this orange. And I'm going to go in with this Morphe R34 brush and take a little tiny bit and blend that into the red there. And I have to go all the way up pretty much to my eyebrows since I accidentally did that last time. It's annoying me, I didn't mean to go that high, but you know, we all have our days. Okay, now I'm just taking this small pencil brush from, it is Mikasa E310 pencil brush. And I'm just going to take that with the same red, the shade Saffron, and I'm just going to now pack it onto the outer corner since we're going for a halo smoky eye type deal. And then of course I'm going to bring it as well onto the inner corner. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking some concealer and I'm going to be putting it on my eye for the halo eye. So yeah, this part is kind of self-explanatory, but I'm just going to go ahead and carve that out. Okay, so now we got the shape we want, so I'm gonna go in with this beautiful purple. It's this beautiful Twilight purple. I'm so obsessed with that color. It is so cute. I'm gonna wipe off this concealer so I don't actually get it everywhere. Okay, and I'm just gonna dip in. This is just like a little brush. Okay, so now that that color's applied, I'm just gonna go in back with that saffron red and kind of deepen the red and blend it into like the shape I want, you know, that inverted triangle. So I'm kind of just trying to match this eye now and make them look the same. Now I'm going to be going in with my NYX That's the Point Hella Fine eyeliner. I love this because it's just so nice for getting on that lash line, so that when you put on fake lashes, you don't see that like line. It's just all black. It's just a nice base. So yeah, I just love putting this on just to help hide the band of my lashes. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with my CoverGirl Peacock Flare Mascara. It just looks like this. I've been using this a lot. Just go ahead and put that on my upper lashes before my mascara so that they blend in. I really like this mascara for like lashes and my bottom lash line because it's not super clumpy, but it makes them super like black and super long. I'm going back in with that color Blazing. I'm just going to take the same brush I used before and I'm just going to apply it everywhere just to smoke it out all over the bottom lash line so I can connect it to the top. I'm connecting it right here and then kind of continuing it on, just like straight up from the bottom lash line. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my pencil brush again and that red color and just put that right on the lash line. I'm not gonna smoke this out too much, just blend it into the orange and blend it into the red up here. Now I'm gonna apply my lashes and then I will be right back. Okay, so now that my lash is on, I finished up my bottom lash line there. I'm gonna go in with my inner corner and top highlight. That's kind of how I'm like fixing that I went too high and blended too high. So I'm gonna go in with the NARS Jubilant. I think these are, yeah, these are actually blushes, but I always use them for highlighters because they're super, super sparkly. Like, anyways, it's the NARS, yeah, NARS Jubilant. As you can see, they look like highlighters. They're super, yeah. And I'm just mixing them. I'm just mixing them both. I'll pop that right there on my brow bone. Okay, so now that my eyes are done, we're just gonna finish up this tutorial with lips. Since my eyes are mostly red with like just that pop of pretty sparkly purple, I decided to do purple lips to kind of match that. So I'm gonna be going in with the Kylie Cosmetics Junebug Lip Kit. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the purple lips. You can leave it like this, but I'm going to take it a step further and put on this Buxom Cosmetics Holographic Lip Topper. This is in the shade Selena. I really love these. They make my lips nice and juicy and they're just so stunning. Okay, I'm going to be setting with this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray because I haven't used it in a while. I was trying to switch it up, but I really miss it. So we're just gonna... You're not applying it right if you don't bathe in it. You gotta bathe in it. I think applying setting spray is like one of the most satisfying parts of my routine. I don't know why. Anyone else? Comment below if you love applying setting. Okay, you guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is what it looks like. I think I really captured the essence of the Desert Dusk palette. I used a lot of the main colors, the reds, the oranges, this beautiful twilight shade. If you like this tutorial, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And don't forget to subscribe below if you want to join the Z fam and see more makeup and beauty and all of that. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.